Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about impersonal expressions. The topics will be as follows. I'll begin with the slide on context, then I'll follow that with some examples of impersonal expressions in Spanish. Now, some sentences are general in that there is no specific person or thing doing the action of the verb. Examples of impersonal expressions in English are, one can never be too careful. You should be respectful to elders. Anyone can learn. There is much to do. Someone can act as a guide. Additional examples in English using the nonspecific it are, it is necessary that we leave now. It is an important matter. It is very interesting. It is an urgent matter. It is raining. Now to begin, the first expression I'll share with you has the construct hay que plus the infinitive, meaning something has to be done. For example, hay que estudiar, it is necessary to study. Hay que ser cortés, one must be courteous. Hay que limpiar la cocina, the kitchen needs cleaning. Now there are a number of weather expressions. For example, está lloviendo, it is raining. Está nevando, it is snowing. Está chispeando, it is drizzling. Hace frío, it is cold. Hace viento, it is windy. Hace sol, it is sunny. Another expression is se plus the verb plus the noun. For example, se habla español, Spanish is spoken. Se venden coches, cars are sold. Notice the verb is conjugated in the third person and in agreement with the number of the noun, either singular or plural. Another example is es plus the adjective plus que plus the subjunctive verb. For example, es importante que hagas estudio. It is important that you study. Es triste que tengamos tantos enfermos. It's sad that we have so many sick. Notice the adjective is always masculine, and a verb following que is in a subjunctive mood. To make the expression negative, add no at the beginning. Another example is es plus the adjective plus que plus the indicative verb. Now, for adjectives that mean certainty, we use the indicative mood in Spanish. For example, es cierto que el cielo es azul. It is true the sky is blue. Es seguro que no hay opción. It is sure there is no option. Another expression is es plus un or una plus the noun plus que plus the subjunctive verb. Es una sorpresa que vengas. It is a surprise that you are coming. Es una bendición que estés mejor. It is a blessing that you are better. To make the expression negative, add no at the beginning. Another expression is es plus un or una plus the noun plus the infinitive. For example, es un placer bailar aquí. It is a pleasure to dance here. Es una pena no poder caminar. It is a pity not to be able to walk. Another expression is parece que plus the indicative, meaning something is likely to happen. For example, parece que va a nevar. It seems it is going to snow. Parece que tenemos una oportunidad. It seems we have an opportunity. If the expression is negative, use the subjunctive. No parece que vaya a nevar. It does not seem like it is going to snow. Another expression is está prohibido plus the infinitive, meaning something is forbidden. For example, está prohibido fumar en la cafetería. One must not smoke in a cafeteria. Está prohibido hablar en la biblioteca. One must not talk in a library. Another expression is conviene que plus the subjunctive, meaning it would be advisable. For example, conviene que termines el examen. It would be advisable for you to finish the test. No conviene que llegues sin dinero. It would not be advisable for you to arrive without money. Another expression is importa que plus the subjunctive, meaning it matters or it is important. For example, importa que llegues temprano. It matters that you arrive early. No importa que llegues solo. It does not matter that you arrive alone. Another expression is es bueno or malo plus the infinitive, meaning an activity is good or bad. For example, es bueno hacer ejercito. It is good to exercise. Es malo comer demasiado. It is bad to eat too much. Notice bueno and malo can only be used with the verb ser. Another expression is está bien or mal plus the infinitive, meaning to be okay, acceptable, or advisable. For example, está bien manejar con seguridad. It is advisable to drive safely. Está bien comer a la 1 de la tarde. It is okay to eat at 1 in the afternoon. No está bien manejar rápido. It is not okay to drive fast. Notice bien and mal can only be used with the verb estar. At this point, we're at the end of this module. I'd like to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Before we leave, we're going to look at a refrain or a proverb. Más vale antes que después. Earlier is better than later. Thank you again. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.